bank to a pocket square. Tap through turnstiles, pay the private fare. Gray cuffs, hide pulses set to common time. Clock punch, poets marching to the chime. The register sings while the hunger is fed. Tack, tack of minutes for a loaf of bread. We keep a coming like a hidden flame. From each by courage without thirst for fame. We live in markets, yet we move as one. A red thread singing where the ledgers run. We keep a coming like a hidden flame. From each by power shared by need not name. We live in markets, yet we move as one. A red thread humming till the shift is done. We keep a coming like a hidden flame. On both mornings none can never claim. We live in markets, yet we move as one. A red thread rising when the day is won. A whispering commune in the coffee queue. October's margin penciled bank of blue. A prison notebook kindles dawn through bars. Roses keep count beneath indifferent stars. The turn of the wheel, the old refrain. The quarters work without a chain. We keep a coming like a hidden flame. From each hour able, each receives the same. We live in markets, yet we move as one. A red thread singing where the ledgers run.